All right, so we said that scatter plots help us see a relationship between data. Now, that relationship isn't necessarily a cause-effect relationship, but it just tells us if the data corresponds or if it's related, okay, or correlates. All right, so um, here they're asking us which of the following scatter plots shows a strong positive correlation. So we're looking at for two different traits. The first thing I want to point out is a positive relationship versus a negative relationship. When we're looking at a graph or a scatter plot, a positive relationship is going to be sort of uphill. Okay, and what that says is as your x coordinate gets bigger, your y coordinate also gets bigger. Okay, so as x gets bigger, further to the right, y goes further up. So that's what positive looks like. Negative is more of a downhill situation, and I always picture myself standing over here on the left of the scatter plot, and that's how I can tell if it's uphill or downhill. If I'm sliding down on a sled, then it's negative because it's going down. If I have to climb the mountain, then it's uphill, okay, and I'm going up, and it's positive, okay? So the first thing we need to determine is which one of these shows a positive correlation. Probably going to be this one here with the ice cream sales, okay? This one definitely shows a negative correlation or a negative relationship because as you'll notice, as the temperatures go up, the sales of the hamburgers go down. And over here with the coffee, there's just not really a whole lot of correlate. I mean, there's not a whole lot of, it's not really positive or negative. It's just kind of spread out all over the place. I think coffee drinkers tend to drink coffee whenever. All right, so then strong. Let's talk about what strong looks like. All right, no relationship is, I mean, like a super weak relationship is when they're scattered all over the place. Okay? And then a weak relationship might be something like this, where you can kind of tell there's a relationship going on there, but it's not amazing. Okay? Strong is going to look more like this, where those dots are all really close to that line. Okay? And then, of course, perfect would be all the dots are on the straight line. So this one here with the ice cream, if I drew a line of best fit through here, and again, I'm just estimating. I didn't calculate my line of best fit. I just kind of drew one in. I can see that all those dots are very close to that line of best fit. So it's uphill, so it's positive. All the dots are really close to that line, so it is strong. So ice cream sales shows a strong positive correlation.